We are in a algebra lesson. We have dealt with equation. Yes, so we are going to continue with the exercise problems. So simple sums already we have seen as an example. Now we are going to see the exercise sum. Actually we are going to see find x and p. So x is a variable, p is also a variable. One equation will be given, you need to find the value of the variable. Very simple. Okay, so the first question is 2x by 3 minus 4 is equal to 10 divided by 3. What we want to find out? We need to find out x and p. Here there is no p, so we can find out what is x. Okay, so x alone I needed, so you just keep the x term alone in this side, then the remaining you just transport to the opposite side. So x term is the first term, so second term I have to transport to the opposite side. So minus 4, if you are transporting, it will change as plus 4. Okay, this is what the first step. Next one, 2x divided by 3, which is equal to 10 by 3 plus 4. This is a fraction, this is a whole number. So what do you want to do? You want to find the LCM. Okay, here only two numbers are there, so easily we can do the cross multiplication. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Then 10 plus this is already 3, no, so you don't want to do here, nothing is there, so we will consider as 1. So 1, if you want to change it as 3, you want to multiply by 3, that's why. Okay, so multiply 3 by 3, 4 3s are 12, then 3 1s are 3, that's why this is 12. Simply you can remember 3 4s are 12 divided by this 3 is common because we multiplied with 3, no, so here this 3 will come, we can write it as a common one. Now 2x by 3, which is equal to 10 plus 12 is equal to 22 divided by 3. Okay, just simply I added. After that I need x alone, so 2x alone I can keep, this 3 I can transport to the opposite side. This 3 is in the denominator. Okay, this 3 is in the denominator, so if you are transporting, it will go to the top as a numerator. That's why I written into 3. Got it? So here this 3 is in the denominator. If you are transporting to the opposite side, it will go to the top as a numerator. Now 3 and 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So 2x is equal to 22. Now as usual, x alone I needed, so this 2 I should transport to the opposite side. 2 and x is nothing but 2 into x. 2 and x is nothing but 2 into x. So if this 2 going to the opposite side, it will change as division. Multiplication, if you're transporting, it will change as division. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 12. So the value of x is equal to 11. Very simple, right? So you just keep the variable term alone, then the remaining terms transport to the opposite side. Plus will change as minus, minus will change as plus. Similarly, into as division, division as into. Like that it will change. After that, do the calculations, you will get the answer easily. Now let's see the another one sum. The given sum is p plus 1 by 6 minus 3p is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, in the previous sum we had only one variable, but here we have one variable only, but two times we have. Okay, one is in the first term and another one is in the third term. So I need to keep the variable terms alone in this side, the remaining term I have to transport to the opposite side. Now plus 1 by 6, if you are transporting, it will change as minus 1 by 6. Got it? Now my 1, this is considered as 1p. This you can consider as 1p. If no coefficient, you can consider as 1, no. So 1p minus 3p. So 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. So here it is subtraction. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. But the greater number is 3. 3 has minus. That's why we written minus 2p. Okay, after that take the LCM. What is the LCM of this plus 1 by 6 if you are transporting minus 1 by 6? No, already I said. So you just find the LCM 3 comma 6. If you are finding LCM, the answer is 6. 1 by 6 is already, we have a 6 in the denominator. So only this 3 we have to change it as 6. How will you change? By multiplying 2. So 3 into 2, here 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6. Now minus 2p is equal to 6 and 6 are common. So you just write it as 1s. After that 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 3 by 6. So both can cancel by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So what are the remaining things are there? Minus 2p is equal to 1 by 2. Minus 2p is equal to 1 by 2. I need p alone. I need p alone. So this is minus 2p. What do you mean by minus 2p? Minus 2 into p. Minus 2 into p. So 2, if you are transporting, the into will change it as a division. So this minus 2 we can consider as minus 2 by 1. So if you are transporting, it will change this into 1 by minus 2. This minus 2 is in the numerator. We have to write it in the denominator. If no numerator is here, write it as 1. Very simple. Okay. So here 2 minus 2 into p. So if you are transporting, it will change as divided by minus 2. So if no numerator, write it as 1. Now you just do the as usual multiplication. 1 ones are 1, plus into minus minus, 2 twos are 4. So finally we can write it as p is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay, so it looks easy, but when you are doing, you will feel really difficult. So I will give some homework problems. You must try it. Play the video 2 or 3 times, then easily you will understand. You have to try some problems, then only you will remember forever. Okay.